5. Morning habits to transform your life in 20 years. Introduction. Your morning sets the tone for the rest of your day. In this video, I am sharing 5 simple but powerful morning habits that can help you become more productive, focused, and successful in 2024. Let's dive in. Wake up early. Early risers often have more time to prepare for the day. Waking up just an hour earlier than usual can give you the time to work on personal goals or enjoy some peace before the chaos begins. Pro tip: start small by waking up 10 minutes earlier each day until you reach your desired time. Yard 2. Hydrate first thing. Your body gets dehydrated overnight. Start your day by drinking a glass of water. Add a slice of lemon for a refreshing boost to your metabolism and energy levels. Chapter 3. Move your body. Exercise in the morning boosts your mood, energy, and focus for the rest of the day. Whether it's yoga, a quick workout, or even a walk, get your body moving. Bonus tip: if you're short on time, try a 10-minute high-intensity interval training (HIIT) session. Shuffler. 4. Practice gratitude. Take a moment to list 3 things you're grateful for. This simple habit shifts your mindset to positivity and helps you focus on what's good in your life. Example: I'm grateful for my health, my family, and the opportunities I have today. 5. Plan your day. Spend 5 to 10 minutes planning your day. Use a journal or app to jot down your top priorities. Knowing what you need to focus on helps you feel in control and eliminates decision fatigue. Pro tip: start with your most challenging task during your peak energy hours. Conclusion. Transforming your mornings doesn't require major changes. Small habits can make a big difference over time. Which habit are you going to try tomorrow? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more life-changing tips. See you in the next video.